Alright y'all, today we're making some wild game stuffed peppers. I prepared some chorizo using venison, aldad, and wild hog all ground up. Added in my peppers, onions, jalapeños, chopped them up real small for this recipe so they'll fit into the peppers real well. Next we're going to make our rice. We're going to cook everything together. I used a mix of Mexican rice, Spanish rice, and taco rice together for this particular dish, and those flavors are going to bond real well. Later on we're going to add our can of rotel, cheddar cheese, and a can of black beans. Cook that together a little bit, get it all mixed in. Next we're going to load up our peppers. We have taken Poblano peppers, cut them in half, pitted them, and we are taking all of the stuff we just cooked and filling up each boat of pepper. This time we're going to add mozzarella cheese on top. Then we're going to throw it in the oven for a little while. And this is how it's going to look when it comes out. Perfectly seasoned and cooked all together. You're going to have a range of flavors coming out of this thing. That pepper's just going to top it off right there. It's going to cook it just enough. You can take the extra rice and meat and all that you have prepared and make a Mexican dip out of that. You can watch my other videos on how to do that, but that's what you can do with the rest of the stuff. And you can check out our other videos to see how all the hunts and all for the different animals that I used to get the meat from on today's video.